Hey, are you looking for an all-natural deodorant, but you're just not sure which one to grab?
Why not make your own using the power of essential oils in 5 simple steps? Replace your deodorant with this natural alternative. Here's what you'll need. Grab your January 2022 monthly recipe box, pull out your recipe card, pull out your beautiful deodorant tube, and from your recipe box, you'll also need kaolin clay and zinc oxide. And we're also going to be using pine essential oil and clary sage. If you want a more masculine scent for this deodorant, swap the clary sage for patchouli in this month's box.
And from your big bonus box, you are going to grab your beeswax and your solid coconut oil. And from your home, cornstarch.
Let's get making.
The first thing you're gonna wanna add to your container is your beeswax. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of beeswax and then 1/3 cup of that solid coconut oil.
These ingredients really create the consistency of our deodorant. They're also really good for natural skincare. We'll put this glass measuring cup in a pan of water with water going up a couple inches up the side of this container, and this will melt the ingredients in a really controlled way. Another way you can do this is melting it in the microwave using short intervals. So now we're gonna add our essential oils. So we're gonna use 15 drops of pine and 15 drops of clary sage. These are really gentle oils that are unlikely to cause irritation. Plus they are being very well diluted in all these carrier oils. Once these are stirred so that the oils are evenly incorporated throughout the carrier oil, we'll add our other ingredients. We're going to be adding a tablespoon of kaolin clay. We'll also be adding a tablespoon of zinc oxide, which is a natural deodorizer and it's really soothing for your skin.
And the last ingredient we're gonna add is that cornstarch. So we are adding 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Now we'll wanna stir all the ingredients together so they're evenly distributed.
Once it's stirred, it's all ready to go and pour into your tube. This does make a little bit extra than what fits in the deodorant tube in this month's box. We made the recipe a little bit bigger so that it could fit in other deodorant tubes. All right, we'll let this cool and settle, and then it's ready to be used.
Make sure you don't forget to put the label on it. To use the deodorant, just push up the bottom. You can have it at whatever height you want, and you can use it. To find out more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box, and don't forget to hit the subscribe now button.
If you don't want to make your own natural deodorant, you can go to simplyearth.com and check out our Wild Root line of natural deodorants. These are great deodorants. So if you want to try a ready-made version, be sure to check that out.
Thanks for watching.
Hey,
Are you looking for an all-natural deodorant, but you're not sure which...
You look like